Did you know that hydrogen gas can produce a classic pop sound when ignited? Here's how you can safely demonstrate it. First, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and wearing safety gear. Set up a source of hydrogen gas by reacting a metal with hydrochloric acid. Collect the gas in a container filled with water. Before igniting it, purge any air from the apparatus. Now hold a flame source near the opening and slowly release a small amount of hydrogen gas. Boom! Listen for that satisfying pop sound and observe the clean flame. Remember, always exercise caution and have fire safety measures in place. Stay safe and enjoy the show.